your girl Jazzy is Too Fresh, back with another video. I got something special for you guys again. I know you're ready. I know you're ready. So today I'm taking with you guys with me on a special little trip. So just stay tuned. It is about 4:30 in the morning, so I'm up early and I'm ready to roll. So stay tuned for more. So this is the part where I should be saying, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching. Yeah, so still out riding, looking, almost to Houston. So this is the part where we get off the road, go off the beaten trail, and just explore a little bit. We saw like a little neighborhood that was a little bit outside of Houston, so we decided to ride through it to see what they had to offer. Really didn't like it that much because the houses were kind of small, and I wanted to kind of get something bigger than this go around. So you picture here, you just see us rolling around just looking. These houses are like too close together. I don't know about these ones, guys. Y'all see it, vote or die. Go ahead and make sure everybody votes this year because we definitely need it. But anyway, picture here is downtown Houston. H-Town is going down. Look who's here. My beautiful sister. What's up? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. You went to both places and you needed frozen strawberries.
I ain't want no frozen strawberries.
Jamar needs them.
What is he trying to make?
Smoothies? Hey, shout out to Jamar. You about to make the vlog. Hey guys, what's up? So we're about to go into another house right now. We're in Parent Land, so stay tuned and you'll see what's good. Say hi, Jay. All right, here goes nothing.
This is cute. I like this. Really cute. Do you like the step?
There's a bathroom here.
It's a bathroom in there too?
On the floor.
Yeah, the floor is nice. It's like the Contessa flooring. The bathroom in here. I like the backsplash too. It's different.
The kitchen's
They got the built-in. Yeah, the kitchen isn't that big.
not. I like it.
The pantry's okay size.
I like it. The pantry's really nice. It's pretty good. I didn't have it was an off bedroom and an office. I didn't go back there, so I don't have
Where?
a dining room.
The master. The master room. Yeah, that's what I was trying to show. That's really nice.
Yeah, the ceilings are right in the living room too.
I like the ceiling. Linen closet. Nice too.
You like the bathroom?
Not really. It's just basic to me. What was back here? The laundry room? The laundry room is back here? Huh? Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at the view. Uh-oh. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love this.
They're both included.
Nuh-uh.
It says game room included, media room included.
It's included?
So is this?
I want you to be too. Bedroom.
You got this? Yeah, I might take my shoes off. This is what,
Going to house number 2. Ooh, I do. I do like this.
it's like the house that you were going to get, but it got stairs right here.
Oh. So it's like similar to the other one.
Oh, I love the gold trim. I love that gold.
Yeah, the gold is nice. I just wish it had like the built-in and not the, and have the range. This is cute. What is it? Let me stand the other way because you really can't see because of the sun.
Included is with the. So the
Maybe look crazy.
Come here, Mom. What's this?
Oh, push it out. That's how the other house is. It gives you the option to get the bay windows and not the regular windows. The bay windows give you extra space. I like the bay windows. Gives you that like that seating area.
I like the gold.
Some of these houses sell themselves, so they don't have to talk to you.
Exactly.
A fireplace from that there? Oh, the living room. The fireplace is in this one. Yeah. Because the ceilings are low.
Yeah, the fireplace in this one.
This ceiling is not bad. Let the black kitchen too. Where did you get the chandelier from? I don't know. It's the next.
Wayfair got just what I need.
Oh, no.
Okay, so.
The bedrooms are pretty big. First though, it would probably be $600,000. He's now, I don't think it's that much.
Yeah,
I don't think it's that much.
easy 600,000.
First though.
But not here.
Alright guys, so we just finished. I'm about to leave now and go to the next location. So I will see you guys soon. Good. I'll cut that.
Did she lock
This bitch locked this motherfucker? No, she
There's
didn't.
nothing in it.
So I cut this kind of short because this house is very similar to the other one. So only difference was the entryway and how the dining room was there and the washer was to the left was the only real difference in this one. This one's a little bit smaller. So I cut it short for you guys. So here we're in Mo City. We looked at a couple places. I mean, the city was all right, but it wasn't my favorite city.
Like what?
They have really, really long driveways.
So this concludes the video. We looked at so many houses. So I shortened the video as much as I could and just showed you the ones that were my favorite. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.